How you doing, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about Magic Lantern and how to install it on your Canon DSLR. This is an amazing firmware that runs custom off your SD card, so it's not actually installed onto your camera. So if you need to send your camera in, you can send it in and take out the SD card and not void your warranty, and you're good to go. First, you're going to come to the Magic Lantern website, which I will leave a link in the description below on how to get there. Once you're here, come to downloads, scroll down to the nightly builds, and select your camera. I have a Canon 60D, so we're going to be installing on the Canon 60D. I select 60D from the drop down menu. Let it do the thing. There it goes. Okay, something happened. Okay, I already have it downloaded, so we're going to skip straight to that part. Come to your Magic Lantern folder, and you're going to copy all 3 items, go to your SD card, and paste it. Once that's copied over, you're going to go ahead and eject your SD card, and then we'll go to the camera from there. And you're good to go. Now we're at the camera, so we can go ahead and get this turned on. You got to make sure you're in manual mode. Go to menu, come down to firmware version, and go to OK. At this point, you just sit back and let it do its thing. You got to make sure you do not touch your camera until it says now, please restart your camera. So we'll go ahead and turn it off. Turn it back on. And to make sure Magic Lantern's installed on a Canon 60D, you hit the trash can button. And there you go, Magic Lantern. There's so much options you could do with this that makes it completely a whole nother camera. It's a great thing to run. I suggest everybody who owns a Canon DSLR to install this on the camera. If you need any help, please leave a comment below and I will help you out as much as I can. If not, please like my video, leave comments, let me know what you think, and subscribe. If there's anything you want to see me review or to help you out with, please let me know and I'll go ahead and get a video on that for you. As always, thank you and have a good day.